Hello class. Today we're doing 5GO 7.3. Today we have fractions and whole numbers. We're going to multiply. Now, in our previous lessons, we used manipulatives or figures to multiply, but in this lesson, we are just going to multiply. Now, our rule for multiplying fractions is number one, we must have a fraction. Number two, we can multiply with the option of canceling. Okay, and three, we simplify. Okay, so now, remember, if we cancel, our canceling comes in between our establishing fractions and multiplying. We have the option to cross cancel. Okay, let's move forward. Here we have 2/9 times 3 whole. So when we rewrite our problem, 2/9 times 3 over 1. Okay, we can cross cancel because 3 and 9 have a number in common, and that number is 3. So how many 3's are in 3? 1. And how many 3's are in 9? 3. And therefore our new fraction is 2/3 times 1 over 1, which will be equal to 2/3. Our other option is to multiply without canceling. If we go back to our original 2/9 times 3 over 1, then 2 times 3 is 6, 9 times 1 is 9. And then when we simplify by dividing by 3, we will end up with the same answer, 2/3, because 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 6 divided by 3, is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So our final answer is 2/3. Those are our two options when multiplying our fractions. Let's take a look at number 4. Number 4 is 3/4 times 9 over 1. 9 and 4 have nothing in common. 3 and 1 only have 1 in common, so you would end up with the same answer. So we will not be cross-canceling in this case. 3 times 9 is 27, and 4 times 1 is 4. So now we simplify. How many 4's are in 27? We have 6 with 3 remaining. Okay, let's look at number 6. 6, sorry. We have 7 over 1 times 1 over 2. Nothing in common with canceling, so we just multiply. 7 times 1 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. Here, how many 2's are in 7? We have 3 with 1 remaining. Number 9, we have 9 over 1 times 2 over 3. 9 and 3 have a 3 in common. How many 3's are in 3? 1. How many 3's are in 9? 3. So our new fraction is 3 over 1 times 2 over 1, and we multiply. 3 times 2 is 6 over 1 times 1 is 1. How many 1's are in 6? 6. Okay, look at number 10. Number 10, we have 4 over 1 times 3 over 8. 4 and 3 have 4 in common. How many 4's are in 4? 1. How many 4's are in 8? 2. Our new fraction is 1 over 1 times 3 over 2. 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 2 is 2. So let's simplify. How many 2's are in 3? 1 with 1 remaining. Let's look at number 12. 1/8 times 6 over 1. These numbers have a number in common, that is 2. How many 2's are in 8? 4. How many 2's are in 6? 3. 1 times 3 is 3, and 4 times 1 is 4. No need to simplify. Number 14. The gas tank on Mr. Tanaka's car holds 15 gallons of gas. He used 2/3 of a tank of gas last week. How many gallons of gas did Mr. Tanaka use? So if we have 15 gallons times 2/3, then we rewrite our fraction. 15 over 1 times 2 over 3. When we cross cancel, we see that 15 and 3 have a number in common. That's 3. How many 3's are in 3? 1. How many 3's are in 15? 5. 5 times 2 is 10, and 1 times 1 is 1. Therefore, we have 10 over 1 gives us 10 whole gallons. That's how much you use. Okay? That's our lesson. See you in the morning.